Hey everyone, today we're talking about a game changer for anyone who wants to build a thriving online business. I'm presenting the Rapid Clone Profit Funnel. Are you tired of struggling to build your email list, feeling like you're constantly begging people to subscribe, wasting time crafting email sequences that don't convert? If you answered yes to any of these, then the Rapid Clone Profit Funnel is for you. So what is the Rapid Clone Profit Funnel? The RCP Funnel is an all-in-one system designed to help you build a high-converting email list faster and easier than ever before. It's like having a tireless salesperson working 24/7, attracting subscribers, nurturing them into loyal fans, and ultimately promoting your offers, all on autopilot. Now here is how the RCP funnel works. First, pre-built rebrandable capture page and lead magnet. So ditch the design headaches. The RCP funnel provides a beautiful high converting capture page and lead magnet that you can easily customize with your branding. Automated email sequences that do the heavy lifting for you. No more scrambling to write emails. The funnel comes preloaded with powerful email sequences that nurture your leads and promote your offers for you automatically. Effortless integration. The RCP funnel integrates seamlessly with your leads, making campaign management just a breeze. And as a bonus, exclusive affiliate marketing resources. This is where things get really exciting. The RCP doesn't just help you build your email list, it also equips you with the tools and knowledge to become a successful affiliate marketer. You will get access to valuable resources, trainings, and help you actually maximize your affiliate income by promoting the RCP funnel itself. Now, please don't hesitate to download your ultimate checklist PDF file from this button here, and don't hesitate to discover these opportunities here and offers. And if you want to duplicate the RCP funnel yourself, please click the yellow button at the bottom here and upgrade, and you will receive everything you need to start building your email list and making recurring affiliate commissions. Thanks for watching.